Holochain holders, how are you, my friends? This is the warning video for all Holochain holders. That is the another warning alert for all Holo holders, my friends. So be alert and be safe from loss. Now, my friend, in this time, the latest changes occur in the Holochain is negative 0.09%. The price of Holochain is going fast down, my friend. So you know what, my friend? In this time, the people starting a very big mistake, and if you do this mistake, so that's a really warning for all of you to you lost your money, my friends, if you do this mistake. So don't do this mistake and be safe from loss, my friends. Before starting this video, if you are new to my channel, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe now. ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. Now at this time, my friends, the price of the Holochain is 0.00612 USD dollar is the currently highest price of the Holochain. Now I'm talking about the latest update, the latest price of the Holo, my friends. Other side, you can see if we talk about the price changes of the Holo. So now the last hour changes is negative. Only the latest last 60-minute price changes is negative, and the last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the Holochain is positive, my friends. So you can see here the previous change is absolutely going good in the Holochain, my friends. But now only I'm talking about the latest changes of the Holochain. Let me show you more. Absolutely, you can see it in the previous time. Really congratulations news, really good news for all the Holochain holders. I think that's a temporary phase, my friends. But that's only warning, my friends. For all of you, don't do this mistake. Don't decide to sell. If you sell, so you lost your money, my friends. Don't decide to sell, only hold. And don't worry about this fast, my friend. This fast is temporary. After some passage of it's a few hours fast, and after 2-3 hours, the price is again start explosion, my friends. Again start jumping. So you have to hold, my friends. Be patient. Wait for the quick jump. Absolutely, my friends. I really like this type of quick jump, my friends. They taken the huge pump, and the quick jump of the Holochain is coming soon. July month is the Holochain month, my friends. I think that now you can see that the current price of the Holochain is very low. I really recommend for all of you that please invest more and more in the Holochain, because the price of the Holochain is low and the price going is positive. But its price is going to increase day by day, hour by hour. That's why I'm telling you to please invest in a Holochain. Anyways, hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.